Part 1. New words.
The sun. Sunny. The sun is beautiful. A sunny day. The sky. The dark sky. A sky blue color. A cloud. Cloudy. There are many clouds in the sky. The sun is behind the clouds. Rain. Rainy. To rain. A rainy day. It rained yesterday. Snow. Snowy. To snow. It snowed a lot last week. A snowy day. Wind. Windy. A windy day. Autumn winds.
Part 2. Grammar 1. It. It is cold and windy. It was 6 o'clock in the evening. It rains a lot in November. It didn't snow much last winter.
What time was it when you got home yesterday? I don't know. I didn't look at my watch. I think it was late because it was very dark. Did it snow much at the weekend? Yes, it did. It was snowy, windy, and very cold. Was the weather good when you were on holiday? Yes, the weather was great. It was sunny and very hot. Does it rain a lot there in the summer? No, it doesn't rain much. It's usually dry and very hot in the summer.
Part 3. Grammar 2. It, or there. It is hot and sunny. There are no clouds in the sky.
It snowed a lot yesterday. There was a lot of snow on the roads. It was cloudy in the morning. There were a lot of clouds in the sky. It was a very windy day. There were cold winds high in the mountains. It didn't rain last week. The flowers in my garden need water. There is a lot of water on the roads. I think it rained not so long ago.
Part 4. Vocabulary 1. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like? It is rainy and wet. What's the weather like today? It is hot and sunny. What was the weather like yesterday? It was cloudy and very cold. What's the weather like in Rome now? It's sunny but very windy in Rome now. What are the winters like in your country? They are usually windy, snowy, and cold.
Part 5. Read and choose.
It rained all day and the children were very bored. I really like when it snows at Christmas. There were many clouds in the sky. It was too late to go out, and we watched TV at home.
Part 6. Quiz.
It rains a lot here in July. The weather was wet, cold, and the clouds were dark. Did you see the sun yesterday evening? It was big and red. I really like cold and snowy winters. I can do many sports.